Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
My phone was talking.
That one dog used to look like Bear.
Yeah.
Sorry, mosquito. If you guys like today's video, make sure to hit the subscribe button, the like, and notification bell so you guys don't miss any of my videos. And I posted, her leg is caught. Yada! Wait. Okay.
Oh. Nope, let's go. You need to go near that one.
Morning. Yeah, she's definitely not going near that one.
I don't know if it's that dog or
No, it was hers.
Was it?
Yeah. Yeah, it was hers. And that was not a nice bark either. What do you mean?
Whose dog is over there? No, yeah, that you're staying close.
Could it maybe found coyote?
Oh no.
Hey.
Oh,
We thought it was a coyote.
No, you would think she was maybe as close as she's ever been to actually catching him. Hey, Bria, come on.
Oh, she's so pretty. Come on.
Still back there. You want to turn right?
I don't know which way to go now. Depends on where she is.
'Cause I really don't want to meet up with her.
Yeah.
Wait.
Oh, she's getting close.
Okay, let's go. Come on. You're not going near that dog, Miata. Yeah, today we're at Nels Hill.
This one does.
Huh? No, it's definitely hers. Mom. If your
She
dog...
shouldn't have her dog here.
I was just gonna say, if your dog is aggressive, don't fucking bring it here. Because this is a friendly park and not an aggressive one. Oh!
No, stop my fingers. Oh. You know what? Let's go up that way.
Down this path?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going a different way.
Yeah, because I... Oh, I touch your puppy.
Oh, it is a cute doggy.
Let's go. Let's go. I want to get away from her.
Yeah, she should really have that thing put down.
Oh no, she shouldn't be at a park.
Yeah.
Which way she goes.
Huh? Yeah. That way.
Okay. We're gonna go up and back around.
You don't want to go to the lookout?
Not if we. I don't want to run into her.
I wish we knew where. Oh, actually, I could. I could know where. Oh, I guess you don't want to go straight across, do you?
Why?
To the other side
What?
to get away from her, so we're not anywhere near her. Sorry, guys. I've been putting the camera on me the most of the time. Yeah, that way, like straight across.
I worry about the coyotes though. There's nobody here, hardly. I wonder which way she's going.
But her water bottle is leaking, by the way.
Great.
Yeah, I don't want my baby to get attacked. Thank you very much.
No.
I mean, I do. We'll have it on camera if need be. Well,
Yeah, well, I can stay away from that. There you go.
Yeah.
I do that. Where is she?
I don't know. Completely lost her. So you want to do a different entrance next week? Okay, I was thinking the one on 14th. Oh, someone said on Facebook that the one on
Come on, Miata.
Nose Hill Park Road has a fence, but I was looking on the maps. There is no Nose Hill Drive.
Oh, we'll look this week. Figure out.
Okay.
No.
Yeah,
Really, Miata?
there is no Nose Hill Drive.
Huh.
There's 14th, Shagan Abbey, and John Lorre. No Nose Hill Park Road. Just gonna get a double interaction here.
Yeah, I just. Oh, so pretty.
I'm just worried about that dog though.
I know. Hello. No, Miata, this way.
Well, didn't want her tripping me.
Come on. Oh,
Miata!
don't take out a dog.
Don't take out a dog.
Is that her?
Right there?
Yeah, I think that is her.
Where is she going?
Going that way. Miata,
Straight?
You're gonna take me out now.
Is she going straight?
I think so.
I should have put some on.
Oh yeah, you should have. They still bite through the clothes.
Yeah. You know what could be too? A bite.
Could be. Oh my god, my hair. It's driving me nuts. That's fair.
Me bathing?
Yeah, that's fair.
You want some?
Nope. I don't do both. might be too cold to do the lookout. I was having no sweater on.
We can always do it the week after, or
Do it on a cooler day again, but this time I'll have maybe in the fall.
okay.
Because then I'll have a sweater on.
Why don't we talk 10 minutes? Go on that dirt path.
Are you thirsty? There, get a drink.
Just wait.
Oh fuck, here she is. Let's go. Let's go.
Yeah, come on.
Sorry, baby. Just wait. I don't see your dog anymore.
Maybe she got rid of it.
I thought she was going the other way.
How did she get up to us so fast?
I don't know. Just wait, baby.
Why don't we go
I
on that
say-
dirt path?
I say, yeah.
Go on this dirt path?
Or, you know what? Let's just go to that. Okay.
Okay.
Let's see where she goes. Is she coming?
No, she's sitting there. Can she get a drink? Yada. There you go. You want any more?
I don't think that's her.
But she was calling it.
Was she?
Yeah. She was saying, oh no, 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 no.
Yeah, I know, but I don't know if that was her. I don't know if it was another Chinese person.
No,
I don't see her dog.
it was her. Because she came in with it. And there was nobody else behind her.
I thought she had a pink sweater on. Oh, yeah.
What did you say that we needed?
Eh?
You said we needed something last night.
I don't remember. Let's try to take out. Oh,
You want,
lettuce.
you want me to run up to No Froze when we get home?
Oh.
Okay.
Alright. Well, let me ask the kids. I don't remember.
There is 2 head of lettuces,
Oh, is there? Well, let's check them first.
but we do need tortilla wraps.
They're downstairs.
I don't think we have small ones.
Yes, we do, because the kids got some. Look on this one.
Oh! Ziploc bags!
Oh, yeah.
You want me to run up
I don't
to...
have no money right now. Until Friday.
Oh, I was gonna say take it.
Come on. I don't know. Freaking cold. I ain't cold. spent? We're not touching it.
No.
Because I want to see how much we get.
Now it's warm.
So I can figure out things.
Hmm.
Yeah.
But I'm not taking my sweater off because I don't want to be cold.
Just because the sun is shining. Wait until it goes back into the clouds. I'm cold.
Then why are you complaining?
What?
You said, oh, it's cold.
It is. I said when the sun comes out, it's nice. But when the sun goes back in the cloud.
But you said you
Oh, we're not
didn't
going up
mind.
there.
Well, oh. But you say you didn't mind the cold.
No, I don't mind it. I'm just scared to get sick.
Oh, for next month.
Yeah,
Oh my God,
like 3 weeks.
Mom! In a few weeks, or in a couple weeks, is when my life with the Water Boys is coming back.
Mm.
Yes.
You ever notice with those gifts that we're making? Well, I'm making, I guess.
I'm sorry I haven't been helping you.
Okay, I got it figured out now. I just hate the idea that I'd be able to see mine.
I was gonna do it today.
Oh,
I just wanted to take the weekend off.
and Friday?
Well, I did some Friday.
No, you didn't. Thursday you did.
Oh.
Well, what I was thinking is doing 2 a day. Like two missions a day.
I wish they weren't there.
Wow.
So pretty.
What was I gonna say? Come on, baby. Are you thirsty?
Yada. No.
What was I gonna say now?
I don't know.
Oh, Darren's doesn't have that one thing.
What one thing?
One topic. Can't say it out loud.
Oh.
ChatGPT wouldn't bring nothing up. He's like, nope.
Next time we'll go there.
Yeah. Like I said, in the fall it's cooler.
Yeah.
Because Wednesday, I think it's supposed to still.
That was it, eh? You just wanted a little sniff?
She's a miniature husky.
Yeah.
Yeah, some people are scared of her. You too.
You want some drink? Come here. You're just a tired girl. Oh, bend it down.
I was trying to. Is that all?
Take it. You want more? Miata.
Miata.
Hey, you want more? Want more? No?
Nope. Oops, I didn't mean to shake the camera.
Yeah, you did.
No.
Yeah.
No.
They're gonna be.
Who?
Miata.
Oh. I was gonna say, I'm not.
Oh, crap.
Miata, come here. Okay, sit.
No, get away from those. Those are poisonous.
Sit.
You know that for sure.
Sit. Good girl.
Okay. Nope, get away from them.
Miata.
Just because I said over there, no, but
She didn't get one.
What?
A treat.
Oh,
Miata want a treat?
those are them.
What?
Yeah, I think they are the ones that smell goes into her. No,
There's a lot of them here.
there is.
Miata. Good girl for sitting. I don't want to have to put it back. Yeah, that's definitely a tree cutter thingy.
Get over here.
I thought it was a weed whacker, but the weed whacker doesn't even sound like that.
No.
I know what a weed whacker sounds like.
It's spot.
I didn't realize you could see the path from here. Like the dirt. Yeah, you can see. I don't know if you guys can see it, but me and my mom can.
Okay, it's getting hot now. That's because. Look out.
Yeah, we should park in a neighborhood next week. Like when we
I want to
go.
find out where that tunnel is.
Yeah, I was thinking, why don't we try parking in a neighborhood and go through that tunnel?
Well, we gotta find out where that tunnel is.
Yeah. Oh, Connor should have sent it to you.
Oh, I gotta
That
find
picture.
it.
Oh, you can?
Oh, there's a puppy. Oh, who's that been?
She saw the one.
Coming in.
Yeah,
It's been
the one leg.
3. And then
She
it's
saw
just
the-
two on dirt path.
Yeah, she saw the one with only one eye.
Huh?
She saw the bulldog with just one eye. Nope, she saw two at the beginning when we came up the dirt path.
Yeah, and then that white one that really went after the squirrel.
Yeah, and then she saw one that had no eye.
Four.
And then she had two more when we were going on, almost went to the dirt path.
She actually interacted with them?
Yeah?
Really?
So you said 4?
I think so.
6.
Oh. It's like, what are you doing?
7.
Come on. Miata, this way.
Do you want to call that one?
Yeah. Oh, that wind feels so good. Cold but good.
Hmm? I was gonna use Google.
Well, no, I don't know if these are them though.
Yeah, Google will tell you.
Yeah, that. I was gonna. They don't look the same. Ooh. Oh!
2 dogs. No, these grasses are not biologically poisonous or toxic to dogs.
Wait, try this one.
No.
No?
Still giving me the same
I
answer.
know one of them is.
Would it be the yellow ones?
No, it's ones that look like this.
Are they blue?
No, they look like this. You know the ones that you go like this? Yeah. It's them. I don't know why it's saying it's not. It was on the news last week. It can go into their respiratory.
In the northeast last night around 9.
Did you hear about that? A shooting in the northeast?
Oh, when?
Last night.
Sure it was last night?
Yeah.
Not old news?
No.
30 officers responded to report.
Where is it?
Excuse me.
It would have said recently watched.
Reports of a shooting on Madigan Drive. A vehicle with 2 people in.
Oh, she's taking.
Calgary police investigating a shooting.
6:19. No. Last month. Or yeah. Yeah. No, she's not. Oh, yes, she is. Stop.
Come on. Here. Got it. Got it.
Hey.
Hey, get in here. Over here.
Have we been here for 30 minutes?
I don't remember.
Because it's saying 30 minutes on here.
Oh, probably because we went the dirt road. Dirt road.
Might end it here. Okay, guys, that's it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure to hit the subscribe button, the like, and notification bell so you guys don't miss any of my videos. Yeah, and I'm trying to reach the 10,000 subscriber mark, so please share with your friends. Bye.